Did you know that Paris is not only the city of light but also the city of love, with over 30 million tourists flocking to it every year? It's a place bursting with culture, history, and romance, making it one of the top destinations for travelers from all around the globe. So, if you're planning on visiting soon, stick around, because I've got some amazing tips and tricks for you. Welcome to your ultimate Paris travel guide for 2024. In this video, we'll help you navigate this beautiful city like a local. From must-see attractions to hidden gems, we're covering it all. Plus, I've got a free checklist download waiting for you at the end, so you can keep everything organized while you explore. Let's dive in. Traveling to Paris can be overwhelming. Seriously, just think about it. You've got the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, Montmartre, and so much more. And then there's the transportation system, trains, buses, metros, oh my. It can be a bit of a maze if you don't know where to start. Plus, the cultural nuances, like how to greet locals or navigate dining etiquette, can make or break your experience. You don't want to miss out on the true Parisian vibe because you're too busy figuring out the logistics, right? So, let's tackle all these challenges together so you can enjoy your trip to the fullest. Now, let's explore what makes Paris so special. First up, the must-see landmarks. You can't visit without taking a stroll down the Champs-Élysées or snapping a picture in front of the stunning Notre Dame Cathedral. But don't just stick to the tourist hotspots. There are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Ever heard of the Canal Saint-Martin? It's a lovely spot to unwind away from the bustling crowds. And let's not forget about the food. Oh, the food. From flaky croissants at a quaint bakery to sizzling crepes from a street vendor, your taste buds are in for a treat. I'll also share some tips on how to get around the city efficiently. The Paris Metro is super easy to use, and I'll show you how to navigate it like a pro, so you can maximize your time exploring this magical city. Alright, here comes the best part, insider secrets that only locals know. For instance, did you know that the best time to visit the Eiffel Tower is right when it opens in the morning? You'll avoid those long lines and enjoy stunning views with fewer people around. And how about that hidden cafe tucked away on a quiet street in Le Marais? It serves the best coffee in the city, and most tourists don't even know it exists. You'll also want to check out the local markets for fresh produce and artisan goods. They're a great way to experience the authentic Parisian lifestyle, away from those tourist traps. Trust me, these little nuggets of wisdom will make your trip unforgettable. To wrap up, we've covered essential tips and insights to make your Paris trip truly unforgettable. From navigating the city to discovering hidden gems, you're now equipped to explore like a local. And don't forget about your free downloadable checklist. It's a handy tool to keep you organized and ensure you don't miss any of the must-see sights or experiences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other travel videos for more tips and tricks. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite Paris experiences or any questions you might have. Bon voyage, and see you in the next video.